Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a craftsperson has agreed to pay a penalty if you uses more than a specified length of a time to finish a certain job. The penalties for excess time are $12 for the first day and thereafter $4 more for each day that for the preceding day. If he pays a total $9,372. How many excess days did he need to finish the work? Now, from given information, we can write here A of 1 equals to $12. Also, we have given that nth term, that is an, equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is 12 plus n minus 1 and d means common difference is $4. So after solving this, we get 12 plus 4n minus 4. So it will be 4n plus $8. Also, sum of first n terms Sn is given by $9,372. So by using the formula for sum of first n terms, sum of first n terms, that is Sn equals to n by 2 into a of 1 plus a of n, we will get the excess days craftsman need to finish the work. So substituting values here, Sn is $9,372 equals to n by 2, a of 1 is $12 plus a of n, we found it as 4n plus 8. Equals to, after solving this, we get equation 2n square plus 10n minus 9,372 equals to 0. So solving this equation, we get factors n minus 66 and n plus 71 equals to 0. So here n minus 66 equals to 0 or n plus 71 equals to 0. That is n equals to 66 or n equals to minus 71. Take a positive solution. That is n equals to 66. Hence, a craftsperson needs 66 excess days to finish the work. That is, our correct option is option A, which is 66 days.